Suzuki is giving its stylish compact crossover a sportier attitude with the introduction of the all-new Fronx Sport, and it's aimed at buyers who want a little more visual excitement without sacrificing everyday practicality. Positioned above the standard Fronx Hybrid, the new Fronx Sport arrives with a more aggressive look and a stronger road presence. Think of it as the same efficient crossover underneath, but with a sporty body kit that makes it stand out in traffic. The package includes a redesigned front lip spoiler, side skirts, a blacked-out grille and Suzuki badge, a rear diffuser, a roof spoiler, and exclusive Fronx Sport graphics. Optional 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped in Continental performance tires further enhance its athletic appearance. Despite the more aggressive styling, Suzuki has kept the proven mechanical package intact. Under the hood is a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine paired with a mild hybrid system. The setup produces 103 horsepower and 138 newton-meters of torque, sending power to the front wheels through a 6-speed automatic transmission. While those numbers won't challenge a hot hatch, the Fronx Sport is designed to deliver smooth daily driving, excellent efficiency, and dependable performance. Inside the cabin, drivers will find the same practical and technology-focused layout found in the standard Fronx Hybrid, but with an added bonus. A front and rear 4K dashcam system comes standard. Other highlights include a leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters, wireless smartphone charging, and a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Where the Fronx Sport really impresses is in the technology department. Suzuki has packed the crossover with an extensive list of advanced driver assistance features that are often reserved for more expensive vehicles. The suite includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, lane change assist, and vehicle sway warning. Additional safety features include electronic stability control, ABS with electronic brake force distribution, hill hold assist, automatic high beams, 6 airbags, and ISOFIX child seat anchors. One of the biggest surprises is the pricing. The new Fronx Sport starts at approximately $30,800, while the standard Fronx Hybrid now drops to around $28,000 after a recent price adjustment. That makes the Fronx lineup a compelling choice for buyers looking for a stylish crossover packed with modern technology and safety features, without stepping into premium brand territory. Imported from Indonesia and backed by a 3-year or 100,000-kilometer warranty, the Suzuki Fronx Sport combines sporty styling, hybrid efficiency, and everyday usability in a package designed to appeal to modern crossover buyers. For drivers who want SUV practicality with a more athletic personality, this could be one of Suzuki's most attractive offerings yet.